Hi, I'm Dr. Raja, and you are watching my YouTube channel, IT Tech Trends. We're creating a network with two switches and PCs. I already deployed a one switch and two PCs, and PCs are configured as well. Switch 1, PC1 is having IP address 192.168.1, and switch 2, PC2 192.168.1.2. They are already configured. I will show their IP addresses 192.168.1. Second PC of the switch 1 under desktop IP configuration .2. Now I will deploy another switch and two more PCs. Under the network devices, select the switches and then select a 2960 switch and deploy it on the canvas, and devices, and select a PC. Deploy a two PC here and change the names. I'm changing this to 4 and this one to a PC3. Now I will connect because PC and switch are non-similar devices. So connections, copper straight through cable, PC, fast Ethernet 0/1, and in switch, I will keep the first interface port spare for my the switch to switch connectivity and using fast Ethernet 0/2 for the PC3, and the second the PC fast Ethernet 0 and fast Ethernet 0/3. Now I need to be connected both switches. Both are the similar devices. Therefore, I will use a copper crossover cable. And this time I'm using the one I support. Spare the port is fast Ethernet 0/1 of the switch 1 and fast Ethernet 0/1 of the switch 2. Still, they are not properly configured. In the meantime, I will configure our PCs. So PC3, under the desktop, IP configuration 192.168.1.3 and subnet mask, which automatically comes up, and PC4 desktop IP configuration and dot instead of .3, .4 and configure. Now all are configured and turned into green. Now I will check the pre-configured configuration of the PC1 192.168.1 there, and PC2 192.168.1.2. Now I will check the communication through a ping command first. From PC1 command prompt, I will use a ping command and 192.168.1.4. Smashing. Sent packet 4, received 4, lost 0 and 0 loss. We check the PDU delivery now. Under the simulation mode, select a PDU from second PC to a third PC and click play. Sender send a data to its switch. Switch send data to the next network switch, and next network switch data to the destination. Still it's showing in progress. Now the receiver send acknowledgement back to switch, and switch send acknowledgement back to the second network switch. In Cisco packet tracer, sometime the first time it's not showing, and the correct is going to be sent again. Receiver send it back to the next switch, network switch, back to the destination. Now destination is going to send acknowledgement back to its switch. This switch send back to the second network switch, and second network switch send back to the originator sender. It successfully delivered the packet. So this network is tested through the ping command and through the PDU. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and leave a comment below. And make sure to hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thank you for watching this video.